So the last thing we kind of wanted to hit is the pedagogical implications of focus on form. So just remembering that there are a variety of ways for implementation of this focus on form, and they can be used combined or separate. It's important to note that implementation does not mean that teachers will necessarily see fast results. This is something that takes time. And although there is ample empirical evidence to incorporate focus on form, some studies have been inconclusive as to its efficacy in the classroom. This, however, as Lowen stated, could be due to explicit tests of grammatical knowledge not providing the best measures of implicit and proceduralized L2 knowledge. So these are just a couple things to keep in mind, but basically just adapting this to how you need in the classroom. And as stated in the beginning, we're using focus on form in conjunction with focus on meaning.